Okay, hey everybody. Okay, hey everybody. I think we're just going to have to deal with a little mist in the background. I'm sorry. Today I'm going to be having a go at doing this Harry Potter 3D effect jigsaw. I have done 3D effects like this before. This will be my third one, but it will also be my biggest at 500 pieces. I reckon it's 6 years plus. If it's anything like the other two that I've done, well, more the second one than the first, because the first one was only like 6 pieces. I doubt a 6-year-old's going to have the patience for this, if I'm being perfectly honest. So, isn't that just beautiful when you see it non-3D as well? Oops. Sorry, earthquake. So it looks like it's pretty much the same thing all the way around the edge of the box. On the back, you've got a big clear image of what it looks like finished without the 3D effect. Oh yeah, by the way, that's a he. That is not a she. They always put the wrong snowy owl on. Because Hedwig is a girl. That is definitely a male snowy owl. Okay, I have actually already opened this because I did try to start sorting out the pieces at one point, but a certain little darling wouldn't let me, so I gave up. But we're going to try again tonight. Oh, that's one that's together. It's like, the pieces themselves are a bit on the thin side. The back's just plain white. But because this is plastic, it's fine that the pieces are thin, because they will hold up. So, he's ready to get started. I think I'll change the angle of this, of the camera, and we'll get going, because as it is, I am going to knock into this every 12 seconds. Okay, so back in a few. I now have the edge finished, mostly. Remember that I'm missing 2 pieces, which will hopefully turn up soon. Sadly, it's not fully fitting in my frame, and I'm sorry that it's bouncing. So, I think I'll make a start. Oh, I just found one of the pieces, one of the edge pieces. Just down here. I had to move where I had my box because a certain little darling grabbed it, turned it over, and redecorated my living room with it. You know, not annoying at all. everyone, we're back with day 2 of doing this jigsaw, the Harry Potter 3D jigsaw, well the Harry Potter Castle 3D jigsaw. And if I look like crap, it's because I still feel like crap. It would appear that my cold has turned into tonsillitis, so yay, hence why in the footage from day 1 you saw me just working my way through a tub of ice cream because my throat felt like I had shards of glass in it. I can hear it in my voice that my throat isn't right, but it's not too bad. So, yay, let me. So, all the castle pieces are on the board. Just got the Sky and Hedwig pieces left to do. I had to cover this up to stop the cat slash little darlings from knocking over all of my pieces. But this is where I got up to. So a real good chunk of the way through that second missing board piece has not turned up yet. And I have moved again. Well, I've moved puzzle location. It was just doing my back in where I was. So yeah. I'm gonna try and get some of this done. Well, my little boy's having a nap. And then I'll probably work some more on it this evening. So catch up with you later. So as you can see, finally finished it. Spent over 2 days, but I wouldn't like to say as to how much time exactly went into it, and I just noticed how much pen I have on my face. It's Crayola, it'll wash off easy enough. My little girl's slightly obsessed with taking pens and drawing on everything. And I'm part of everything. So yeah. I'll gather my thoughts together and I'll give my final thoughts on this, particularly once I have gotten rid of all the purple on my face because it is making me giggle every time I look at myself. Or I might just leave it, we'll see. But yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back as promised with my final thoughts and feelings about this jigsaw puzzle, do right here. So something that I will say is, personally, I don't think this is a 3D effect. I don't think it's a style that would suit high detail work, because I'm not going to lie, there are some areas where it was really hard to tell if I put the piece in the right place or not. I pretty much had to wait till the piece was there to be able to tell, and because they have to move around, so then the image moves, so then you can see the two move together, if it works or not. One plus, though, is you can just pick up the jigsaw. Like, it's sturdy enough that you can just pick it up. But yeah, it's sturdy enough that you can just pick it up. I've had to put it back down because of a certain little monster has made an appearance. That little monster. I think she's saying wash. Yeah, putting the pieces into place, you do have to force them in, because the plastic on them, it doesn't really allow for easy sliding, but it does obviously mean that the whole thing is more structurally sound. So if you do want to frame it, which I do, you most likely don't need to tape it. Probably worth doing just to be on the safe side in case the frame fails. So then you don't have to put it all together, because to be perfectly honest, I don't want to put it all together. Yo-yo! Because it was really hard work. I don't think I would, to be perfectly honest, I don't think I would want to do a 1,000-piece jigsaw of it in this style, but you never know, it may happen. Because it definitely increased the difficulty level. Because, like, say, on like a difficulty level of between 1 and 10, this is probably a 5, where if you didn't have the 3D effect, it would probably be like a 3. So it wasn't super hard, but it definitely added an extra level of difficulty. So like I said, I couldn't see a 6-year-old doing it, even though it does suggest on the box that it is from like the minimum age they recommend it for. I didn't see any other places where the plastic had come loose from the cardboard. The cardboard itself has stayed in good condition throughout the puzzle as I've been working on it, and yeah, reasonably happy with it, and I will probably be doing more. Oh yeah, as you can see in the background, I have got a ton of jigsaws that I am going to be doing a video on very shortly. How fast will depend on the little miss and how much of a little pain she's being. She's getting tired, which of course means she's becoming harder work. She was like right on the edge of falling asleep, but she's changed her mind. But anyway, puzzles. So yeah, this has just been finished. I actually have two separate 1,000-piece puzzles that I want to get finished that are like about halfway through. Oh, cringe my neck. So I probably won't actually video finishing them. I will put them up on my Instagram when they are finished though, so do look there. For example, I've just finished a lavender scented jigsaw, and that is on my Instagram. It probably won't come up on here unless you do want me to do something on it. So, let me know your thoughts and feelings on the 3D effect. Would you do it? Do you think it's just a little too gimmicky, not really worth the effort? Because, like I say, if this was something that was ridiculously high detail, I would say, no, don't even bother. Like, there is places that have got high detail, but it's not too awful. So yeah, would you do something like this? Would you want to see another one being done? Is there any types of puzzles that you in particular like to do? Any in particular you'd like to see done? Because I'm always open to ideas. Like, I'm thinking that possibly before I actually do finish doing these 2,000-piece jigsaws, that big green box there, I actually got it from a charity shop. and I have no idea if all the pieces are there. I know that everything in there is bagged up, and that there's at least one piece not in a bag, it's just floating around, so I don't know where it goes. But they're pretty landscape. I'm thinking of doing one of them next. Hello, darling. So yeah, thank you for stopping by. Genuinely, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Really want to hear your thoughts on this, because I do think that they are quite interesting. There are a few more designs of this, and they actually have them at my local jigsaw, well, my local toy shop. Their jigsaw section is amazing. It changes every time I'm in there, so I'm guessing there's a lot of puzzles around, because it genuinely is different every time I go in there. And they do have a fair few different 3D ones, including a few more Harry Potter ones. Would you like to see some more Harry Potter ones? Would you like to see some more 3D in general? Or would you like to see some proper 3D? Nope, you can't quite see them. But on the top of that unit there, I do actually have a few proper 3D models. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Let me know what you think, and thanks for stopping by. Laters.